conwy adre. I hope that you're all okay and that you're ready for another week of learning at home. Well, I have had some amazing pictures and work from you all this week. Da iawn chi, well done all of you. I hope that you've enjoyed all the activities linked with Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I have to admit that my favourite pictures have been up from you of trying some different porridge. I've had lots of different ideas. I've had brown sugar, I've had jam, I've seen children with blueberries, and one little girl put salt in hers and she said it was yucky, and I did agree with her. It is not nice when you put salt in your porridge. I much prefer when it's sweet. But da iawn chi, my darlings, you're all doing super duper. So for this morning, what we're going to start off with is we're going to focus on our numbers from 1 to 20, and we're going to look for missing numbers. So we're going to start with that this morning. Right, pawb. Right then, everyone. As you can see, we are still focusing on Goldilocks and the Three Bears for this week. And then next week, we'll be starting a brand new fairy tale. Right then, as you can see from here, we have got our numbers working all the way from 1 all the way to 20. Then we need to go backwards, counting back, and then we can choose to go forwards or backwards with our numbers on here. But there are some numbers that are missing. So we're going to need to find out what numbers are missing. Right then, so let's see. So let's start here at the bottom of the number line. We've got 1, 2. Oh, but what number is missing? Number 3. Well done. So here I am going to write the number 3. So if you can at home, can you practice doing the number 3? So we go around and around like that. So I've done mine a little bit bigger here, a little bit bigger than the numbers that are on there, just so that you can see that properly. Right, moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So we start at the top and we go around. So now that we're on here, we don't need to go to the beginning, do we? We know that this is 6, then comes 7, 8, 9, 10. Right then, now we are moving into our teen numbers. So we're moving into our teen numbers. So what's the rule that we need to remember with our teen numbers, please? 1 comes first. Can you say that again for me? 1 comes first. So after 10, what's 1 more than 10, please? 10, then 11. Well done. And for the number 11, we need a 1 and a 1. Right then, after 11, the next number's gone as well. So 10, 11, what comes after 11? 12, da iawn chi. What 2 numbers are in the number 12, please? A 1 and a 2. So remember, 1 comes first, then a 2. So we're going to start from here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. What 2 numbers are in 15, please? A 1 and a 5. There we go. 15, what's 1 more than 15? 16, and then what comes after 16, please? 17, 17. So I know that you can hear the number 7 first, but as we know, 1 comes first. 1 comes first, then the number 7. 17, 18, 19. Well done. Again, 1 comes first, and then the number 9. 19, 20. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Da iawn chi. So now we're going to go backwards. We're going to go back in our number line. So I'm going to tell you what comes first. So 20 is what we're going to start with. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Well done. 16. Then 15. 14. What's 1 less than 14, please? 1 less than 14. 13. Well done. 1 and a 3. And then what's 1 less than 13? 12. What 2 numbers are in the number 12, please? We did this earlier. Have a look on here if you need to. 1 and a 2. Da iawn chi. Now the hardest part's done. So our T numbers is our hardest part. So now let's carry on. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, I can hear you shouting. 4, 3, 2, well done, and 1. Da iawn chi, well done. That was brilliant. We managed to do all of those. So let's count backwards now together, please. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Well done, da iawn chi. I am going to leave this one blank, okay? I'm going to leave this one, and I would like you to just press pause and maybe have a go at doing it at home with whoever's at home with you. So you can go backwards from 20 all the way down if you like, or you can work from the bottom and maybe you can tell whoever's at home with you what numbers are missing. And if you like, you can print off, because I have sent this to you through your emails on Purple Mash as well. You can print this off and you can have a go at trying to do it at home if you want. Or of course, if you can't print it, you just have a go at writing down the missing numbers, please. Well done. Fantastic. Oh, da iawn chi, darlings. You did amazing in that task. Well done, you. So for today, we are moving on to something new. So all of this week, we're going to be focusing on what's called size ordering. So does anyone know what I mean when I say size ordering? What types of words am I looking for? So you have a think at home. What types of words am I thinking of? What types of words would describe size? So if something is big, well done. If something is small, da iawn chi. So you are going to be ordering things from smallest to biggest, or from biggest to smallest. So we're going to be looking right then. So here on the screen we have baby bear, mummy bear, and Daddy Bear. And here we have all different things found in their house that belong to each of the characters. So what we need to do now is, by looking at the size, think what item here would belong to which character. So let's think first, Baby Bear. So this is Baby Bear. So would Baby Bear's chair, for example, be the big chair, the small chair, or the medium-sized chair? Well done. Baby Bear would have the small chair, because Baby Bear, as you can see here, is the smallest. Daddy Bear's the biggest, then Mummy Bear, and then Baby Bear. These are going from biggest to smallest, you see, because it's going down in size, biggest to smallest. Well, if we're looking at their porridge bowls now then, would Baby Bear's porridge bowl be the big blue one, the medium-sized yellow one, or the little red one? Da iawn chi, the little red one, because that's the smallest one. Fantastic. And here are the 3 bears' beds. Now, which bed do you think belongs to Baby Bear? What colour covers has the Baby Bear got? Does Baby Bear sleep in the big blue bed, in the medium-sized yellow bed, or in the small red bed? Da iawn chi, Baby Bear's bed is the small bed. Super duper, da iawn chi. Right then, let's do Daddy Bears together now as well. I have sent you this attachment through on Purple Mash as well, my darling. So if you want to have a go at doing it at home, please do so. So Daddy Bear. So would Daddy Bear's things be big or would they be small? Da iawn chi. So Daddy Bear's things are all going to be big because he is the biggest. Can you say biggest? The biggest. So he is the biggest out of these 3 bears. And Baby Bear is the smallest. Can you say smallest? Smallest. Da iawn chi. So which of these chairs would be Daddy Bear's? Would it be the big blue one here? Or would it be the medium-sized yellow one? Da iawn chi. Cadair Glas, blue chair. Fantastic. And what about Daddy Bear's porridge bowl? Which one of these 2 do you think Daddy Bear's would be? Da iawn chi, dosbarth mwyaf adre. You did really well in that task. So like I said, I have sent you this through your email, so you can print that off if you like, but you don't have to do size comparison just using this. You can do it using anything in your house. You could even grab different sized plates and put them from smallest to biggest or biggest to smallest. You could do them with your toys. You could even, when you're going for a walk one day, that you could have a look and see of the different stones or the different trees and say that tree is the biggest and that tree is the smallest. It's all about using the language of biggest and smallest and looking to see what is big and what is small. Lots of different ways that you can do this, not just by using what I am sending you through on an attachment by pen and paper, because looking for things that are big and small is all around you. We could do it with anything at all. Right then, here is another little task for us to have a look at what is the biggest, the smallest and the medium size. So we're going to look first at these Goldilockses that we have here, and I have put numbers here above all of them so that it's easier for us to see and point. So we've got Goldilocks number 1, Goldilocks number 2 and Goldilocks number 3. Right then, out of these 3 Goldilockses, which one is the smallest, please? Now what I want you to do is either shout the number that's above or do it on your fingers for me. Which is the smallest? 1, 2 or 3? Which Goldilocks is the smallest? Number 2. Well done. So if you shouted number 2 or showed me 2 fingers, da iawn chi, super duper. Out of these, which Goldilocks is the biggest? Which Goldilocks is the biggest? Number 1, 2 or 3? 1, 2 or 3? Number, give me a drum roll. 1. Well done you if you said number 1. So this Goldilocks is the smallest. This Goldilocks is the biggest, which means that this Goldilocks is the medium size. Now let's turn all those around so that we can see them properly. Here we go. Smallest, the medium sized, and the biggest. So the smallest Goldilocks to the biggest. And you can see that they're going up like steps. Do, 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 do. So that they're going up. Da iawn chi. Let's do a little bit more of a difficult one. So here we have different baby bears. We've got this baby bear. We've got this baby bear. We've got this one. And we've got this one. So I've not put numbers this time. What I want you to do is to point at the screen for me. So can you point, please, to the smallest baby bear? Which one is the smallest baby bear? Let's have a drum roll. It's this one. Well done if you said this one. This is the smallest baby bear, the smallest. Now, please tell me which one out of all of these is the biggest baby bear. Which one is the biggest? Another drum roll. It's this one. This is the biggest baby bear because he's the tallest, the biggest out of all of these. And then let's put them in order. There we go. So from smallest all the way to the biggest baby bear. Da iawn chi. Right then everyone, I have also sent you these attachments through on your Purple Mash emails as well. So if you want to print them out, cut them and then stick them from smallest to biggest, that would be great. But like I said, you don't have to print these off if you don't want to. You can make your own pictures, or maybe you could ask someone in your home to make you 3 pictures, 4 or 5, and then that you have to cut them and order them. And like I say, it doesn't even have to be pen to paper. Find anything in your house. You can go into the kitchen, look for maybe different plates, different bowls that you have, and put them from biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest. And you use those words, and you have a look as well when you go for a walk and see if you can find the smallest tree or the smallest stone, and then see if you can find the biggest. So da iawn chi. I hope you have a good week. You have no idea how much I am missing you. I miss you so, so much. Again, thank you so much for all the hard work that you're doing and for all of the lovely photos that I'm getting through Purple Mash. Oh, you won't believe how happy it makes me when I get lovely pictures of you working so hard. I'm super duper proud of you and I am missing you so, so much. Bye, my darlings. Good luck. See you soon.